Hey guys, welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. This is Kara, and we're just doing a casual video tonight. So I got drenched in the rain today going to City Hall, and it's hat day, or shall we say hat night, here in the house, or at least in front of the camera. Also, I'm not going to edit this video. I'm just going to shoot it, and I'm going to send it up into the internet sphere so that you guys can see it right away, okay? Because there's some news, and it's about the Boxycharm skin box, skincare box. Skin box sounds weird. Skincare box, and I want you guys to know right away. Okay, here's the deal. On Instagram, Boxycharm did confirm that the 8 products that we talked about before are all going to be in the box. So a couple of days ago it was confirmed by Boxycharm that 6 would be in the box, and they're finally confirming that yes, all 8 are in the box. And you know what those 8 are because we had that in our video just last weekend. I will put a link to that video in my description box. So let's call that box 1. Yeah, something's up. Something's up, but hold on a minute. So, these are all of the 8 items, and Boxycharm has confirmed all of these 8 items. So these are the ones from my video that we talked about. Real Fast Cosmetics Jade Roller, Glam Glow Serum, Elemis Superfood Night Prebiotic Cream, the Farcelli Jelly Beam Highlighter, Shade Unknown, Kopari Coconut Oil Cleanser, the Saturday Skin Peel, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Jelly Sheet Mask, and there's 2 of those, and the Caudalie Grape Mist. Okay, so recently I was looking at Instagram just in the past couple hours. So in Instagram, the Boxycharm said that the box I just mentioned with those 8 items is one of 2 variants. Okay, so we went through everything we went through finding out about these 8 items, and now we find out that this is one of 2 boxes. Okay, so then I got to thinking, all right, what could box 2 be? And if you remember the Rich Luxe box, this was in my first video that I did on the skincare box. The Rich Luxe box had those 8 items and 2 more. He had the Glam Glow Instamud 60-second face mask. That's the purple mask. 60 seconds on, then you wash it off. And he also had the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Night Serum. So in my description box, I'm going to link 2 videos. One from last week that shows the 8 items, which Boxycharm is now calling variant 1. And then the Rich Luxe box where he had the 10 items. And could that be box 2? I just don't know. I guess we're all just guessing at this point. So I will leave the links to those 2 videos in the description box. Okay, number 2, dates to buy this box. For annual subscribers, you are eligible to buy this box starting tomorrow, which is April 23rd, Tuesday, and then all Boxycharmers can buy the box on April 24th, which is Wednesday. Let's see, we know that the box is $49.99. There will be state tax on it, just like your regular Boxycharm box. We do not know the time, so I guess stay tuned to Instagram, follow Boxycharm for that. You can also follow me on Instagram. It is Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget XO, and I will post it there as soon as I find out. Okay, so that's what you need to know. And also my giveaway for my beauty and skincare box, that ends on Thursday, April 25th. There will also be a link to that in the description box. And I am posting daily on Instagram now, basically finds, beauty finds, half price finds, sales, all different kinds of stuff that has to do with beauty on a budget. So if you follow me there, you can find out these daily sale items. They might only be on sale for a day, and I can't just do a video like that very day for just one item. So I think, you know, if you're really interested in finding cool products on sale, then follow me on Instagram, and you really might find something that you like. Also, I will be posting on Instagram as soon as I find a time to buy the skincare box, because I'll be buying it myself. So what do you think about this possibility of 2 variations of the skincare box? I mean, we thought we had it all wrapped up, right? I thought I had it all wrapped up, but you know Boxycharm, they like to keep us guessing. And isn't it just like Boxycharm to announce like the day before the box goes on sale that there's 2 variants? Just when we thought we had it all figured out, CEO Joe sticks in the knife. He sticks in the knife and he twists it. Okay guys, that's all. I'm gonna go back to having a relaxing night, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit like if you did, and let's stay in touch through Instagram, and have a good night. Thanks for watching. Bye.